Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Caring Guy here. If you've ever wanted to feel what it's like to actually fly, not just control a drone from the ground, then today's video is for you. This is the CADDXFPV Protos brushless racing drone, a complete FPV ready-to-fly kit designed for beginners, hobbyists, and anyone curious about FPV racing drones. What is FPV flying? FPV stands for first-person view. Instead of watching your drone from the ground, you see exactly what the drone sees through FPV goggles. It feels like you're sitting in the cockpit, flying through trees, racing between obstacles, and carving the air at high speed. And the Protos kit makes this experience easy to start, even if you've never flown FPV before. The CADDXFPV Protos brushless racing drone. At the heart of this kit is the Protos quadcopter itself. It features powerful brushless motors, which means faster acceleration, smoother control, better durability, and way more fun compared to toy drones. The lightweight but tough frame is built to survive beginner crashes, whether you're flying indoors or outdoors. This drone uses a 250mm class frame, giving it the perfect balance between speed, stability, and control, ideal for learning FPV racing. Real FPV camera and video transmission. The Protos comes equipped with a high-quality FPV camera and a built-in HD Ascent Light video transmitter. That means real-time live video, low latency, clear image feed, and adjustable transmission power. Whether you're flying in your backyard or an open field, the video stays smooth and immersive. FPV goggles, the game changer. One of the best parts of this combo is the included FPV goggles. Once you put them on, everything changes. You're no longer watching a drone, you're inside the flight. The goggles deliver a clear, wide view, comfortable fit, smooth video feed, perfect immersion for beginners. This is where FPV flying becomes addictive. ERLS remote control, precision, and confidence. The kit also includes a reliable ERLS remote controller. It's responsive, stable, and beginner-friendly with strong 2.4 GHz connection, smooth stick control, clear flight data display, and long battery life. You always know your signal strength and battery level, which builds confidence while flying. Ready-to-fly convenience. One of the biggest advantages here is that this is a ready-to-fly kit. No building, no soldering, no complicated setup. Everything is pre-configured and paired right out of the box. Just charge the batteries, power it on, and you're ready to fly. Perfect for beginners who want action without the headache. The CADDXFPV Protos is perfect for FPV beginners, racing drone learners, indoor and outdoor flying, hobby pilots, and anyone curious about FPV without building a custom drone. And the best part? As your skills grow, this drone can grow with you. If you're looking for an easy entry into FPV racing, the CADDXFPV Protos brushless racing drone kit is a solid choice. It delivers real FPV excitement, strong brushless performance, beginner-friendly setup, immersive goggles, and reliable control, all in one complete package. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe to Caring Guy, and let me know in the comments, would you try FPV flying? Until next time, fly safe, and I'll see you in the next video.